Hello student, if you are a 10th standard or 12th standard students and going to give the board examination, this will be the very important phrase for you. You know this, I think so, because study smart, not hard. But studying hard is not only solve your the problem, because studying smart is very important. And next 5 minutes I am going to give you the important 5 study technique that will help you to crack the board examination and get good marks. So let us dive in. The first is 80-20 rule. You must might be knowing that 20% syllabus is very important syllabus and 80% weightage is for that syllabus. So focus on that 20% syllabus which will give you 80% mark. Weightage, like in physics and math, you can see the more weightage problem, more weightage chapters you will solve first, more weightage questions you will solve first, and you will be perfect in that, because 20% will carry the 80% mark. So that 20% syllabus you have to choose, you have to see, and focus on that. And in English also, like languages also, grammar part, essay writing, then letter writing and grammar, that is like more marks are there. But we are like avoiding that topic, we are giving focus to the chapter only. So you have to give focus on that 20% which will carry 80% mark. The next is set timer for yourself. You have to set timer for yourself, like suppose you are studying and you are doing the one topic, you have to divide that topic in the you have to divide in the chapter in topics, and for topic you have to assign some time. Set timer as per the requirement of topic, like 25 minute, 30 minute, 40 minute, as per your sitting capacity and as per the requirement of topic. Like suppose you are like a good at sitting, then you can select 1 hour also. But you are not good in sitting, you are getting distracted, then you can keep it at 25 minutes. After 25 minutes you have to take 5 minutes break every time. 25 minutes focus study, 5 minutes break. 25 minutes focus study, 5 minutes break. That will give you the more result. Then in studying you have to write graphs, use visualization technique, like because we are like our brain is more suitable, or more is very user friendly for this visualization. Graph we are understanding most, we are understanding chart, we are understanding flow chart, we are understanding from the image very quickly. So try to study, try to do your study in type of chart, in type of flow chart, or notes you have to make like that in the type of flow chart. That will help you in your study. Then mock test. After some chapter finishing your chapter, after finishing your topic, you have to give, you have to take self test, mock test for yourself. Like suppose you have finished mathematics arithmetic progression chapter, give test for yourself. Take, select any 5 question from the textbook or any other book and try to give that question, or you can use PYQ question related to that chapter and try to give test on that. You will analyze that you are like good in that chapter, or some more studies is required. So this mock test is also very important for you. And then next is meditation. Always do meditation. If you are finding like boring subject, boring, or you are not getting focus on your studies, try to do meditation for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Your health is also important. When you are going to give this board examination, try to focus on your good health also, because next whatever 50-60 days are there for your board examination, you have to avoid junk food, you have to avoid the food outside that will hammer your health. Whatever food that will hammer your health, avoid that. Drinking outside water also avoid that, because that will cost you more if you are you are ill in the examination time, or you are you have to see the doctor in this examination time. That will be dangerous for you, because that will cost your year also. If you are not able to give examination because of your health, that will give you you have to sacrifice your year also. So more focus on your health, meditation, that is also important to crack to crack your board examination with good marks. Studying is 1% aspiration and 99% preparation. Studying is 1% aspiration and 99% preparation. So focus on your preparation. Aspiration is there with you, but preparation is more important. Practice is more important. Do practice, do smart study, and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Bye.